iConn Compressed Air Service 4.0 moves our business from a pure product manufacturer to a service company, adding value to our customers. Mr. Amit is selling an oil-free compressor plus downstream equipment to food and beverage factory XYZ in Delhi, including iConn Compressor Service 4.0 free of charge. New compressor with iConn inside, on the way to its new home. After delivery and commissioning of the oil-free compressor, the service provider activates iConn. iConn is connected and service provider is monitoring the compressor system, along with compressed air service technician and service leader. A common scenario. Mr. Rajpal is plant manager of F&B factory in Delhi. During a business trip to Switzerland, he received an alert on his smartphone. iConn reports a problem on a compressor. The production runs 3 shifts and is fully utilised. Every minute of downtime would cost money. Mr. Rajpal contacts his local service provider near the factory, who inform him that the team are already aware of the issue and in the process of solving it. iConn's proactivity is key to customer satisfaction. It sets us apart from our competition and gives us the competitive edge. Together they connect to the compressed air system via iConn from CompAir, delivering predictive analysis, diagnostics and machine learning, and agree an immediate service appointment. Isolate the cause of the fault. Access to historical data of all operating parameters allows the service team to investigate the events surrounding and leading up to the fault, so able to predetermine actions to prevent future recurrence, minimize diagnostic time at site, determine the parts needed to fix the problem in one visit. Factory engineers receive the feedback where relevant to improve the compressor. Analytical engine uses the data to learn and where relevant allow CompAir to build in intelligence that will warn users, service centres, for possible failures if similar conditions that cause a failure are detected again. An intelligent stock system with professional logistics support ensures that the correct parts are available for immediate dispatch. Mr. Rajpal goes to sleep. Even before he gets back from his business trip, the required spare parts have already arrived in the factory. Also, a service technician from the local service provider is already scheduled. After Mr. Rajpal's successful journey with iConn, he arranges for iConn to be retrofitted to all compressed air systems in all his factories, ensuring he has total peace of mind worldwide. Proactive maintenance becomes proactive service. For proactive maintenance to realise its full potential, the right information must be provided at the right time. That's the key, very simple. Collecting machine data allows iConn to analyse how each piece of compressed air equipment is performing. If compressed air equipment is not operating efficiently, the service provider will discuss energy-saving opportunities with the customer. The customer and service provider both benefit from having machine data at their fingertips. Why you cannot ignore iConn. Advanced remote analysis. Predictive. Evaluates historic data. Maximizes energy efficiency. Optimizes compressor performance. Reduces downtime. Works as an open standard. Free on new compressors. Can be retrofitted. Proactive maintenance. Data is knowledge. Data-driven product improvement. Already got iConn? Relax, you're in safe hands. Do like Mr. Rajpal. Be smart. iConn. Proactive maintenance becomes proactive service, which in turn ensures competitiveness. iConn. You simply cannot ignore it.